So it's the summer holidays for teachers, and hopefully you're all having a lovely relaxing time of it. However, there is a little bit of maintenance required in your team setup to help you get ready for the new year. It's good practice to archive all your outgoing class teams and create new ones for all your incoming classes. Now, some schools are pretty organised with teams and will automatically generate your teams for you. If so, then they will most likely also archive them for you too at the end of the year. However, if you made your teams yourself, then it will be down to you to archive them again. To do this, click on the cog up here in the top right corner and tap on Manage Teams. This will take you to a list view of all of your teams divided into two groups, active and archived. Now you could move your teams between these two states by finding them in the list and clicking on the three epsilons at the end of the row. If your group is active, you can archive team, and if your team is archived, you'll get the option to restore team. Archived teams do not appear in the main team screen, but can still be accessed by clicking on them in here. You can see clicking on this 2017 team lets me access the posts, assignments and associated OneNote class notebook for that group. Whilst it's archived like this, any member can still access it this way, but it's read-only, so no further changes could be made. This will allow you and your students to look back and find things you covered in previous years without the danger of losing it or deleting it. You can now create a new team for your new group ready for the start of the year and have a nice, fresh, clean, uncluttered team ready to start the year. Check out more quick tips over here. For more in-depth videos, click down here. Don't forget to like, subscribe and keep your hands clean, and I'll see you on the next video.